Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our flag racing bird, Jacko! Jacko is our Molucan Kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatua molucensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white Kakatus. Go, Jacko! There you go! The show has officially started. A round of applause for Jacko! Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park's All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Francis. Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of green-winged macaws. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. Where's the girls? All the girls who will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, want to hear a cheer? Sassy! 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 Very good! And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear your cheer. Rocky! 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 Very well, so birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky as first ball. First goal for Rocky, followed by Sassy. Second score for Rocky. Oh, it's a nice game for the last ball. Rocky wins! Trainer Michelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, they want another race, Trainer Sean.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So a ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky! First race, first goal for Rocky! What's happening? Sassy picked up 2 wins at the same time! And the winner is Rocky! A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Rochelle and Trainer Sean! Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. So here is Sassy, our green-winged macaw, and today she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shapes back into the correct slots. Just like Sassy, green-winged macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. And for the last shape, go Sassy! Intelligent, right? A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Rochelle! Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right?
7.
What number?
7.
Alright, so the second number is number 3. So the equation is 9 plus 3. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Sean will shuffle the numbers.
And you end up in debt. Oh, try as you may.
Now let's call in our hybrid macaw, Rocky! Come on, Rocky! Rocky.
In that margin, you find a margin. Tap your feet and time.
Masumpong si
There
Rocky.
you go. Trainer Sean. Is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky. Solve the equation for us.
Just try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics.
And he gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Being fair, when there's something to share, being
Por!
And he gets number 2. So 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Sean. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, these birds are characterized by 13 vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beak. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our Brahmini guide. Here comes Speed! Brahmini guides are also known as Haliastor Hindus, one of 446 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Manok in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. A round of applause for our Brahmini guides and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here comes our lovely bird once again, and he will show us the proper waste disposal. Nobody. Easy, right? So if the bird can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now, let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made this show possible. Trainer Rochelle with Shadow. Trainer Sean with Buddy. Trainer JB with Speed. And once again, I am Trainer Francis. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain on your seat because we still have our Sea Lion show. And please do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.